Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix invite collaborator option not showing on Instagram. The most common reason for not seeing the collab feature is having a private account. So toggle that off in settings. Switch to a business or professional account if your personal account isn't seeing the collab feature. Then, refresh your connection and session by logging out and back in. Having a private account limits who you can collaborate with. Even though both public and private accounts can invite collabs, private accounts can only collaborate with accounts that follow them. If you want to collaborate with an account that doesn't follow you, you'll need to change your account to public. Change your privacy settings by going to your profile, tap the three lines menu, then tap Settings. Now, click Account Privacy and turning off the toggle next to Private Account. The second option, switch to a business or professional account. If you still don't see the Invite Collaborator feature, changing these settings may help. Go to your profile, tap the three-line menu icon, and tap Settings, and click Account. Switch account type to switch to business or professional account. Changes to your account take up to 48 hours to take effect. So, wait 48 hours, then the Invite Collab option will appear on your post. The third option, log out and back in. Your session could be glitch. Even if every settings is public to allow for collaborations, a glitch in your current session can prevent you from seeing the join post option when you create a new post. Simply go to your profile and the three lines and tap Settings and Privacy and then tap Log Out. Fourth option, change tagging settings. You need to allow people to tag you on Instagram to get collabs. To change those settings, tap on Settings and Privacy, scroll down and tap Tags and Mentions. Now, allow tags from everyone. The fifth option, clear the Instagram cache on Instagram. Cache files can become corrupted and prevent the app from working properly. To clear the app cache, open your phone settings, then go to App and Apps Notifications. Then search for Instagram. Scroll down and tap Storage. Now, clear cache. The sixth option, reinstall the app on phone. Uninstalling the app also gets rid of cache data. You'll need to uninstall and reinstall the app. Simply press and hold the app icon and tap Remove App. To reinstall the app, open the App Store or Play Store, then search for Instagram. Now, tap Install to get it again. The seventh option, force quit Instagram. This simple fix will help if your app is frozen. Open your apps by either swiping up from the bottom of your screen or double press the home button or press the three vertical lines or the circle. Then, swipe up on app to force it to close or tap Force Stop. The last option, invite collabs before posting. You can only use workarounds to mimic how collab posts act after you publish. In that case, make sure you tap the Invite Collaborators option before you publish the post, reel, or story. To invite collabs, tap Tag People, then tap Invite Collaborators when you're creating the post. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.